Hey guys, welcome to Quote Quest. Albert Einstein was one of the most famous physicists and thinkers of the 20th century. His contributions to science, including the theory of relativity and the famous equation E equals mc2, revolutionized our understanding of the physical world. Beyond his scientific work, Einstein was also known for his philosophical musing and insightful quotes that continue to inspire people today. Imagination is more important than knowledge. This quote encourages people to look beyond what is already known and to use their imagination to explore new possibilities. Einstein believed that knowledge could only take a person so far, but imagination was essential for making breakthroughs and achieving great things. Insanity, doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. This quote speaks to the importance of being open to new ideas and approaches, and not simply relying on familiar ways of thinking or doing things. Einstein believed that creativity and innovation were necessary for progress, and that people should not be afraid to try new things in order to achieve their goals. Logic will get you from A to B, imagination will take you everywhere. This quote highlights the power of imagination and creativity in problem solving and achieving success. Einstein believed that logic and reason were important tools, but that imagination was the key to unlocking new possibilities and exploring uncharted territories. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. This quote emphasizes the value of curiosity and the importance of never giving up on asking questions and seeking answers. Einstein believed that curiosity was a fundamental part of human nature and that it was essential for learning, growth, and progress. Try not to become a man of success, but rather try to become a man of value. This quote encourages people to focus on the things that truly matter in life, such as personal growth, character, and making a positive impact on the world, rather than just pursuing success for its own sake. Einstein believed that a meaningful life was one that was guided by values and a sense of purpose, rather than by external achievements or material wealth. We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. This quote highlights the importance of shifting our perspective and approach in order to solve problems and overcome challenges. Einstein believed that new and innovative solutions were necessary for tackling complex issues, and that we must be willing to think outside the box in order to make progress. Everything should be made as simple as possible, but not simpler. This quote encourages people to simplify their thinking and approach in order to better understand complex issues, but also emphasizes the importance of maintaining accuracy and completeness. Einstein believed that simplicity was key to effective communication and problem solving, but that oversimplifying could lead to a lack of understanding or incomplete solutions. The difference between genius and stupidity is that genius has its limits. This quote highlights the importance of humility and recognizing one's own limitations, even in the face of great intelligence or talent. Einstein believed that intelligence alone was not enough to ensure success or achievement, and that humility and a willingness to learn and grow were essential for achieving one's full potential. Peace cannot be kept by force, it can only be achieved by understanding. This quote emphasizes the importance of empathy and understanding in achieving lasting peace and harmony. Einstein believed that true peace could only be achieved through mutual understanding and respect, and that using force or coercion would only lead to further conflict and division. In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. This quote encourages people to see challenges and obstacles as opportunities for growth and development. Einstein believed that adversity could be a catalyst for creativity and innovation, and that the most successful people were those who could turn difficult situations into opportunities for learning and progress. The measure of intelligence is the ability to change. This quote emphasizes the importance of adaptability and flexibility in achieving success and growth. Einstein believed that the most intelligent people were those who could recognize when they needed to change their approach or perspective, and who were willing to embrace new ideas and ways of thinking. The most beautiful thing we can experience is the mysterious. This quote highlights the wonder and awe that can be found in the unknown and mysterious aspects of life. Einstein believed that there was something deeply beautiful and inspiring about the mysteries of the universe, and that exploring these mysteries could lead to profound insights and discoveries. A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. This quote encourages people to take risks and try new things, even if it means making mistakes along the way. Einstein believed that failure was an essential part of the learning process, and that the most successful people were those who were not afraid to take risks and learn from their mistakes. In the end, we will remember not the words of our enemies, but the silence of our friends. This quote emphasizes the importance of standing up for what is right, even when it is difficult or unpopular. Einstein believed that it was important to speak out against injustice and oppression, and that failing to do so could have dire consequences for both individuals and society as a whole. The world as we have created it is a process of our thinking. It cannot be changed without changing our thinking. This quote highlights the role of perspective and mindset in shaping the world around us. Einstein believed that the way we think and approach problems had a profound impact on our ability to create positive change in the world, and that shifting our thinking was necessary for making progress and achieving our goals. Peace is not an absence of war. It is a virtue, a state of mind, a disposition for benevolence, confidence, justice. This quote emphasizes that true peace is not simply the absence of conflict or violence, but rather a state of mind and a way of being that involves kindness, fairness, and respect for all. Einstein believed that achieving lasting peace required a fundamental shift in mindset and values, and that it was the responsibility of all individuals to cultivate these virtues in themselves and in society. I have no special talent, I am only passionately curious. This quote highlights the importance of curiosity and a love of learning in achieving success and fulfillment in life. Einstein believed that his own success was not the result of any particular talent or genius, but rather a deep curiosity and desire to explore and understand the world around him. Education is not the learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think. This quote emphasizes that the purpose of education is not simply to memorize information, but rather to cultivate critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Einstein believed that education should focus on developing the ability to think creatively and independently, rather than simply imparting knowledge. The only way to escape the corruptible effect of praise is to go on working. This quote encourages people to focus on their work and their goals, rather than seeking external validation or approval. Einstein believed that relying too heavily on praise or recognition could lead to a corrupting influence, and that the most important thing was to stay focused on the work itself. I never think of the future, it comes soon enough. This quote highlights the importance of staying present and focused on the moment, rather than worrying excessively about the future. Einstein believed that staying in the present moment was essential for living a fulfilling and meaningful life, and that worrying about the future could be a distraction from the present. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited. Imagination encircles the world. This quote emphasizes the importance of imagination and creativity in achieving progress and innovation. Einstein believed that imagination was a powerful force that could help us to break through limitations and expand our understanding of the world. The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge but imagination. This quote highlights the idea that intelligence is not simply about acquiring knowledge, but rather about being able to think creatively and outside the box. Einstein believed that imagination was essential for solving complex problems and creating new and innovative solutions. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. This quote encourages people to cultivate their curiosity and never stop asking questions. Einstein believed that questioning was essential for learning and growth, and that curiosity was a fundamental part of human nature that should be nurtured and encouraged. I speak to everyone in the same way, whether he is the garbage man or the president of the university. This quote highlights the importance of treating everyone with respect and dignity, regardless of their social status or position. Einstein believed that all people were equal and deserving of kindness and consideration, and that it was important to treat everyone with the same level of respect. Try not to become a person of success, but rather try to become a person of value. This quote emphasizes the importance of focusing on personal values and principles, rather than simply pursuing external markers of success. Einstein believed that true success was not about achieving fame or fortune, but rather about living a meaningful and fulfilling life that was guided by personal values and principles. The most beautiful experience we can have is the mysterious. It is the fundamental emotion that stands at the cradle of all true art and science. This quote emphasizes the importance of mystery and wonder in inspiring creativity and innovation. Einstein believed that the unknown and mysterious aspects of life were a source of profound beauty and inspiration, and that exploring these mysteries could lead to breakthroughs in art and science. The difference between genius and stupidity is that genius has its limits. This quote humorously highlights the idea that even the most intelligent and talented people have their limitations. Einstein believed that true genius involved recognizing and working within these limitations, rather than pretending that they did not exist. Reality is merely an illusion, albeit a very persistent one. This quote challenges the idea that the physical world is an objective reality that exists independently of our perceptions. Einstein believed that reality was a subjective construct that was shaped by our perceptions and experiences, and that the boundaries between the physical world and our perceptions of it were often blurred. "Not everything that counts can be counted, and not everything that can be counted counts." This quote challenges the idea that quantitative measures are always the most important or accurate way of assessing value or success. Einstein believed that there were many things in life that could not be measured or quantified, but which were nonetheless valuable and important. Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. The important thing is not to stop questioning. This quote encourages people to learn from the past, live in the present, and look forward to the future while maintaining a spirit of curiosity and inquiry. Einstein believed that questioning was essential for growth and progress, and that it was important to maintain a balance between learning from the past and looking toward the future. In conclusion, Albert Einstein was a brilliant physicist and philosopher who left behind a legacy of inspiring quotes and ideas. He believed in the power of curiosity, imagination, and questioning to drive progress and innovation, and he stressed the importance of treating others with respect and kindness, regardless of their social status or position. His ideas about the nature of reality and the role of creativity in science and art continue to inspire people around the world, and his insights into the human experience have helped us to better understand our place in the universe. Einstein's quotes continue to be relevant and inspiring today as we strive to find new solutions to the challenges facing our world. If you like this video, please subscribe and smash the like button.